Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to make this cute planet. This is going to be a very small tutorial, but in this tutorial I'm going to use few nodes which are necessary and very important for making stylized materials. So without wasting any time, let's go. I'm going to use my favorite noise, which is nothing but poly noise. Actually it is called FBN, but you can write poly and it will come out. So change the noise to poly and increase the scale X and scale Y to 5 and decrease the iteration to 2. This will make the noise less noisy, if that makes sense. And persistent you can decrease a bit. So I told you I'm going to use few nodes which is important for stylized materials. So one of those is quantize node. You will understand what it does. So what a quantized node does is it takes the full black and white noise and it limits the values to only certain levels or certain values. For example, only white here, or sorry, only black here and only white on the top parts. So you can see the noise. This is our old noise and this is our new noise. We are going to use this noise to make our main base color or main albedo. So let's do that. We will take our colorize and make the black part as dark blue, sky blue, and the top part as brown. Yes. You can take more time to play with the color and just proceed. Something like this. So now you can see in our 3D preview the color is already done. Maybe let's play with color a bit more. You can something like this. Yeah, this is cool. So what about height and normal? Of course I'm going to use my custom node. You can get this node if you download this material, and the link for this material is in the description. Just put one height, put here, and it will make the normal, ambient occlusion, and height or depth, whatever you like to call it. Sorry, you have to put the quantize here. Did you get it? Okay, so as you can see, our height is very sharp. In order to improve that, we can use blur here. Go and increase the grid size and decrease the value or signal, and then put it in the colorize as well as in the custom mode. Now you'll get more highlighting different planets or more blurred. You can play with the blur more. Okay, this is okay. This works for me. You can make it more sharp or more blurry, according to your choice. And now I'm going to so another important node which is actually very used in realistic as well as in stylized material, that is nothing but edge detect. So edge detect will try to detect the edge. It is very self-explanatory. So you can see the boundary here, right? In this zone and in this fully black part, you have this edge, right? So it will try to detect it. Okay, so why I have used this node is to create boundary between these two zones. As you can see, this green part, you can call it grass, and this mountain part. maybe mountain, ground, whatever you like to say. We can make this more darker. Hey, one thing I really forgot to do is you can use auto levels here. So don't forget, every time when you use colorize, please use auto tone before. Okay, now we got the full spectrum. Now we'll have to adjust it. Okay, so there we are. And of course you can go back and play with quantize node a bit more. You can increase the levels, right? Give me a second. This is more what I want. More blur, yeah. So this is our edit. Let me show you what I want to do. Again, go to the blend and use the same edit. You will have to change the mode here to screen. And now here we got our, you can say, boundaries in white. You can play with the screen a bit more or less according to you. So maybe what you want is, it could happen that you want the lower parts without the boundaries. For example, you don't want the white part here. So in order to do that, what you will have to do is go to the quantize node and multiply it with the edge detect. If you multiply it here, so what will happen here is the bottom part or this black or the blue zone will get eliminated, or when you multiply it, it will be. So what it does, it will remove the values of the edge detect whenever you have this dark zone or the blue part. So let's try it here. Now you will have to increase the screen brightness. Okay, so as you can see, the white part from our water or our ponds or lakes, whatever you like to call it, it's removed now. And if you decrease the multi, 1 second. Okay, so put the edge detect in background and quantize it. So if you multiply it with full strength, you will lose the white value in the ponds or lakes, and if you decrease the multiplication, you will see the white value appears everywhere with same value. I'm going to use 0.85. If you want to play with our planet a bit more, what you can do here is you can copy this noise and increase some scales and then multiply it. So you will get more height variation and increase the scale of that one. You can see here, right? You can see the height is changing from here to here. And make it more extreme if you increase the multiplication. Maybe 0.62 is maybe decrease it 0.45. Yeah. This works for me. And of course, don't forget you can change the color from here. So play with color as much as you want. Last thing what you can do is you can select these, our tone, which we used after the blur, which was after the quantized node, and you can drag the node here and use tones. And what you can do is you can drag this part over here and try to make the bottom part fully black and these grass and ground fully white. So when you use this in your roughness, you will get this. Right. You can see the reflection or maybe the shining in the lower part, our quote unquote pawns. So yeah, so this is our planet ready. Whatever changes if you want to do or you want to make, you can do it. Maybe if you want to change the color, you can go and play with this colorized node. Right, you can change the water color from here, change the ground from here. You can make extra nodes. If you make extra nodes, it will be difficult to control, but you will get more control over the colors. See? And the height changes, you can control it from here. Yeah, another thing that you can do is you can change the noises and get different planets. For example, if you use the value noise, you will get this planet, which is cool, not bad. You can increase the persistence. Or you can change the noise to water noise. Yeah, this planet has very big ocean. You can of course change the scale from here. And change. I like the poly noise more. I'm going to make the value as it started with. So you can decrease the scale even further. So finally, this is our planet, and I hope you understood each and every step of this tutorial. If you have any doubt, please write it down in the comment section. And if you want me to make different stylized material, you can also write it down in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So bye, see you in the next one.